All right, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy, Coach D. Matthews.
And your boy, Coach Day Day.
So we just going to casually, like nothing super fancy, just going to casually break down some of our most popular packages. And I got him with me today because, frankly, he just talks better than me. And I want to really just show, yeah, like point. So we really want to show is what your options are when you get with us. Maybe you met him, maybe you met me, maybe we talked about coming to work out or whatever, but we really wanted to break down some options for y'all when it comes to getting our products, okay? So one of the easiest ways to get involved, and he'll jump in here whenever he likes to, we do the trial. And the trial is a 3-day plan. It gives us a chance to audition each other, basically. See if you like the shakes, to see if you like me or him bugging your ass about what you're supposed to be eating. Every day. And it's very inexpensive. Let's bust this up a little bit. And we got six shakes in here. So basically, each shake is a meal. So a lot of times you'll see people who will go to wherever and they'll say, Coach, I got protein shakes. Okay, these aren't protein shakes.
No.
They're complete meals. I like to say that if you take all the minerals and everything you're supposed to eat and put it on a plate of food, you're going to be way over the calories that you need to either slim down, lose your stomach, or to get in shape.
Yep.
Okay. We also got fat burning tea. So boom. And now it's 3 servings of tea in there. So here's the thing. I had people put the whole thing in their cup before. Yo, and they be calling me like, you washing your car at 3 a.m., ain't you? Like, yeah, you had too much tea. So you got to read the instructions. Yes. But this is our starter pack. You got any good experiences with these right here when it comes to?
Yes, actually, a lot of people ask if they're going to lose weight in 3 days, and that's a great possibility. That's not the overall main intention. The main intention is to audition us as coaches and to see if you even like the products, see if you can follow the meal plan. But you can most likely experience weight loss in these 3 days. I had clients lose from 3 pounds to 11 pounds in 3 days. Yep. So just really, I can't guarantee that. It just depends on your body type, really. But you can experience weight loss, right? Main thing you're really going to experience is a lot of energy. That's the main result that I get from clients is that they experience an immense amount of energy. They overall just feel healthier. They're going to the restroom more regularly. Yep. You should be going to the restroom at least 2-3 times a day.
Yeah, you should.
You should.
I wake up in more time and get it popping.
Yep.
I don't know what people be doing. So.
You know what I'm saying? Party in the bathroom.
Yeah. Hey, I even record from the bathroom sometimes too. I'm like, thoughts from the throne. Dope. All right, so that's that. Now, that's only $25. Yeah, if you see it on the website, it's less, but by the time you add shipping and handling everything, the price jumps up. So I just charge you even $25 for it. I'll meet you somewhere, or I'll bring it to you, and you get my meal plan. So it's a couple dollars extra, but you get in the meal plan, like step by step, and it's all done for you through our website. You get free workout. Oh, the workouts.
Yeah,
I forgot about that.
I forgot about that too.
You get the free workouts along with that as well. So that's that. So you did a successful 3-day trial. You lost some weight. It felt good. Maybe you woke up before your alarm clock went off or whatever. And the next step is the Herbalife member pack. Right here, boo. So it's a lot of things inside this box. This is not the seller's kit. This is the kit that you use when you want a discount. Imagine like going into Walmart and having a discount on everything on the shelf. That's equivalent to what this box is right here. And just to say thank you for being a new member, they give you a box of treats. You know, they keep changing that box up every time.
They had like skincare products.
They did.
You know what I'm saying? So now they got the tea. So the tea already comes in your 3-day trial pack. So you already know what it's going to do for you. Burn calories, give you energy. So you get extra tea right here. What most of my clients end up doing with this TD is that they pass it to like their brothers or family members to get them to try the products as well. This is how you're able to sample the products to get the people around you to do it as well. Because if you have people around you doing the same thing you're doing, you're going to be more successful.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You also get a CR7 packet. This is great because this is a part of our sports nutrition line, y'all.
Yep.
So this is like our healthy form of Gatorade. A lot less sugar, potassium, sodium, and here's another one, magnesium. Most sports drinks don't have enough magnesium in it, and you need magnesium for your muscles.
True. That's how you get that little white ring around your mouth.
Yeah, a little cotton mouth.
Yeah. That's to prevent that right there.
I promise you guys, these are not condoms.
These are not condoms. You pulled it out like, and like, what?
This is how you open it too.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding, bro. We reacting to food.
That's a different video.
Another video. It's a pre-lock video.
Yeah, yeah.
Lift off. What you do, look, if you really want to get turned up and you want to have a pre-workout, right? So what we do is mix our tea and our lift off together, all right? This will get you in fat burning mode. This give you a lot of energy. This will help you with alertness and focus as well. It's going to provide powerful B12 vitamins. Now, y'all pretty sure you're familiar with people getting B12 shots. Well, you don't need to do that anymore because you got B12s in this lift off. You mix these two together and you'll be lit.
I like that. That's good too for you people who be cramming tests who don't study. Yeah. Like he just got his nursing degree, so I'm sure he did some cramming. Oh. So I'm sure he had a lot of lift offs. I cramming and lift offs. And also this comes with 20 to 40% off discount. So a lot of people ask all the time, they say, do I have to have a minimum order? And the answer is no. No, you don't. You can order what's comfortable for your budget. If you want to come back and order just one product, then that's fine. Our jobs is to recommend to you what the best choice is, and then based on your budget, we'll implement that into your meal plan. And then we'll work with you as far as like the product and your particular goals. Okay. So that's that. Now, what some people do is they get the membership and they order products right away. So this is a package that someone just purchased from me today. Boom, I'll show y'all that. And what happened was they did the trial, they loved the trial, they got the membership. And I have a kit that rolls the membership and the products all in one. We got several different packages. Nothing is in stone. Like I said, you can always mix and match. You can always, get a product here or there, but if you want to make it real convenient, get it over with, you got a set goal, family reunion, you got
weddings.
Yeah, weddings, bar mitzvahs, quinceañeras, whatever you got going on, you need to get there by a certain time, get to that weight. We have packages already done for you. So, for example, this is one of them. So, membership along with shake, protein, aloe, tea there? Yeah, and the tea right there. Okay, and I throw in the shaker cup so you have no excuse for not taking your product correctly. All right, so whoever invites you to watch this video, me or him, okay, get with either me or him and discuss what's the best options for you as far as starting on your plan. A little bit about myself, I'm down 50 pounds, lost 11 pounds the first week, thank you very much. And the journey, just so you don't get discouraged, it's not perfect all the time. I've been on many vacations. I had many family outings where I had to eat crazy food for 3-4 days. I'm a family man, so I eat sometimes when my kids eat. But I'm able to use the products to get right back on and dial in my nutrition. So he can tell you about his results a little bit.
Yeah, that's great, dude. For me, I was on the other end of the spectrum. I was really skinny. I lacked confidence. I lacked self-esteem. Like, I would be too afraid to take my shirt off when I go to the beach and the pool. Even actually so bad that I would look in the mirror and be disgusted with what I saw. Like, I would show up. I would wear extra layers of shirts or big hoodies and a backpack to make my shoulders and my arms and chest look bigger.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Backpack.
So I try to, like, constrict, like, my blood vessels.
Wow.
So the blood will pump up to, like, so it was really bad.
That's pretty clutch right there.
I was too afraid to ask for help. So when Herbalife presented itself to me, I said no 5 times before I actually get the products to try. But thank goodness my coach never gave up on me. So when I started on my program, I ended up putting on now total 40 pounds of lean mass. Ooh. And I cut my body fat percentage in half. So these shirts right here, like I would never wear shirts like this. You know what I'm saying? But now I do. I have the confidence. So the weight is all good, but what matters to me the most is confidence. And I know most people out there just want more confidence. Yeah. And that's what these products will give you. You guys will be surrounded by people who are just as motivated as you and that will support you along your journey. So it's been great, incredible ever since. And that's why I decided to become a coach, because I'm like, the confidence that I have now, I want to make sure that everybody has this confidence as well. So that's where the business opportunity came into play for me. It was really rough for me at first. I was homeless. I was donating plasma just so I can buy my shakes. I did not want to fall off my products.
That's a crazy story.
You know what I'm saying?
Man, donating plasma.
Yes.
Y'all don't even understand.
Yes, sleeping on the streets, donating plasma. And I use that as an opportunity to make sure that I still get great results, even being homeless. And I started talking to everyone about these products because I felt so good taking them, so good. So ever since then, I've been working the business part-time throughout nursing school. I earn anywhere from $2,000 to $2,500 every single month. I ain't got to borrow money from like ex-girlfriends. I ain't got to couch surf no more. I'm no longer donating plasma. I ain't going back.
Dope. We appreciate that story every time I hear it, man. So, listen, get with us. If you're watching this on Telegram, we're going to provide some result photos on the bottom. So just scroll up. Yeah, scroll up, and you'll see the photos on the bottom. Yeah, that way. Yeah. So, all right, y'all. It's your boy, Coach D. Matthews.
Your boy, Coach Day Day.
We holler y'all later. Peace.
Peace.